Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to improve team collaboration and productivity, integrating Slack with Asana is a great way to streamline communication and task management. Today, we'll walk you through how to connect these two tools and make your workflow more efficient. Let's get started. 1. Why integrate Slack with Asana? Slack is great for instant messaging, while Asana helps manage tasks and projects. Integrating them allows you to turn conversations into actionable tasks, get project updates in Slack, and stay on top of deadlines without switching between apps. Best for keeping teams aligned and reducing time spent on manual task updates. 2. Connecting Slack to Asana. To integrate Slack with Asana, go to the Slack app directory and search for Asana. Click Add to Slack and authorize the connection. You can also do this from Asana's integration settings, best for setting up seamless task management directly in Slack. 3. Creating tasks from Slack messages. Once integrated, you can turn Slack messages into Asana tasks by using the Asana create command. Assign team members, set due dates, and add details right from your Slack chat. Best quickly converting discussions into tasks without leaving Slack. 4. Receiving Asana updates in Slack. You can set up Asana notifications in Slack to get updates on project progress, due dates, and task completions. Customize which notifications you receive to avoid information overload. Best for staying updated on important project changes in real time. 5. Assigning and managing tasks without leaving Slack. Use Slack commands like /Asana list to see your assigned tasks or /Asana complete to mark a task as done. This helps teams manage work efficiently without constantly switching apps. Best for keeping work organized without disrupting team conversations. 6. Automating workflows for better efficiency. Combine Slack and Asana with automation tools like Zapier to trigger actions, such as creating tasks when certain keywords are mentioned or sending reminders for overdue tasks. Best for reducing manual work and improving productivity. Which one should you use? For instant task creation, use Slack commands to add new Asana tasks effortlessly. For staying updated, enable Asana notifications in Slack to keep track of progress. For better workflow automation, use Zapier or built-in integrations to streamline team tasks. With Slack and Asana working together, team communication and project management become more efficient than ever. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips. See you in the next one.